Hello everyone, it's Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, underpaid mechanic. And like the footage you just saw, I have a headlight that's burned up. And I know the connector's burned up because I've already taken it apart to see and notice it. So, I am going to show you how to fix that today. Now, there are a few things you will need. This included doorman number 85813, that's the new connector, and some gloves, and we're going to strip some wires, some connectors, shiny new Mac electrical tools, and we got connectors and crimpers. We're going to crimp it. So anyway, I'm going to get this set up and I'm going to put on some gloves and we'll get started. Alright, so first we're going to pull the pins off here. Just kind of slide this out of here. Can unhook them. See, this one's fine, but this one's buggered. She got a little hot, as you can see, and we're going to replace it. This is where our automatic wire strippers come in handy. That was a little too much. So I cut this back and trimmed this wire back some more so I could get through here. Gonna want to twist the ends, feed it through. Alright everyone, moment of truth. Boom, we got a headlight. Now I gotta do a little more housekeeping here. To the Z66 underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic. You have a good one. Bye. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your dog, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.